Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add clickable link to your TikTok bios. If you want to add here your website or your Instagram link or Facebook link or your Shopify link or whatever, you can easily do that. And I'm going to be showing you guys step by step, and I'm also going to show you guys some tips that will help you guys with this. Now, what you want to do, guys, to add a clickable link to your TikTok bio, you want to click edit profile, as you can see. And then you want to click on website. You can see here something called website. You want to click it, and here you can paste the link of your website or anything, or Instagram or whatever. Paste it and then click save in the top. So let's say that you don't have website option here. Like probably you don't see the website option. Don't worry, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can fix this. So just follow the steps in this video and you will be able to fix this problem. Now, if you can't see here the website option, let me switch to my other account that I created. I just created this account to explain to you guys how this whole thing works. So I'm going to click edit profile in the top. And if you can notice, I don't also have here add website, the website option here. I don't have it too here on this account, because this account doesn't have 1,000 followers, because to add this clickable link you need 1,000 followers. But don't worry, I'm going to be showing you how you can get 1,000 followers if that's what you want. Now just follow the steps in this video, guys. As you can see here, guys, it has 41 followers. But when I go to my other account, this another account that has I'm going to click edit profile. As you can see here, I can see again website, because this account has more than 1,000. Now, if you want, guys, to learn exactly how you can get 1,000 followers, because that's only what you need to do. Don't waste time like switching to a business account. If that's what you see on YouTube, because like it doesn't matter if you switch to a business account or personal account, you can still add a clickable link on your TikTok bio. You just have to have 1,000 followers. So that's why I made the video in the screen, guys. I made it on another channel. Here is exactly this is exactly the video. So I'm going to show you guys the video. Like a lot of people, it worked for them. So they got 1,000 followers in just 1 minute. So it doesn't take time. As you can, this is the video, guys. I made it in another channel. I'm going to be showing you how to get 1,000 TikTok followers in just 1 minute. And so as you can see here, guys, a lot of comments like they say like it worked for them. Love the work, like I got 5 followers. I'm absolutely worried, but a lot of people got, guys, 1,000 followers. So I'm going to add the link in the video. So just click the video in the screen, and you will be able to get 1,000 followers. So see you guys in the next video. Have a good day.